Well, so I welcome you all to another video of the research lab. So in this video, I'm going to tell about one tool, which is a data extraction tool, namely WebPlotDigitizer. So this is a free tool, and you can use it for extracting data from published paper. For for example, for validation, you want some data set from published literature to validate. So you can use this tool. So first thing you have to do, you need to snapshot the picture from the paper and then save it somewhere in the computer. So now this is the interface you can see in my screen. Now go to the file and load image. So I have already saved that picture. So this is the picture I'm going to use to extract data points over this curve. So now first you have to choose your type of plot. So clearly it is XY plot, the one I have taken. So then first you have to define your coordinate axis, the extreme points for the X and Y. Now here you can see the X is starting from 250. So this is X1, and the extreme point of another extreme point of X is 1500. So this is x2. Now here the y is starting from 0, so define here, and the maximum value for y is 100, so define it here. So here you can, at the right top corner, you can see the zoom view. Wherever you will keep the pointer, this plus pointer, you will see the zoom view. So once you defined x and y, then go to the complete and then enter the value for all the points. So this is x1, so this is 250, and x2, this is 1500, and y1 is starting from 0 and going up to 100, and choose the the axis is well aligned with the image coordinates. Okay, choose this one, and okay, now we have to add points over the curve. Okay, so like that. So you can take uh, points closely. So right now I'm not doing that. I'm just taking uh, points at random gaps, like that. You can take. Okay, so we are almost done. Okay, so now we defined a lot of points of the curve. Now go to the data, and here you can see all the points. Now you can format it. Now this is the uh, points coordinate. So now go to download, and okay, so cool. So now here, so this is the extracted points. So this is x, this is y. Now let's plot it. See, this is coming perfect. Or maybe I can choose different style, like that. Okay, so now this is coming well. So if you look at your diagram, so this is how it is looking like, and this is how you're getting. So I guess you can use this tool for extracting data, save data points over a curve, and you can use it in your paper for validation, or maybe you can use this profile in somewhere else in the simulation. Yeah, so for this video, this is all. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will provide this tool link in my description of this video. Thanks for watching.